Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivamrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 parts and wholes, and today's topic is fractions of a whole number. Okay students, now let's start. Question number 16. Question number 16 is in this question here given that find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. In question number 16 of A, here given that 1/6 of 90. Okay students, look at here carefully. And question number 16 of B is here given that 2/9 of 63. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 1/6 of 90. Dear students, here we have to take the multiplication sign in place of this. Okay, then here we can write 1/6 multiplied by 90. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 90 and 1. 90 1 ja 90, 91 ja 90/6. Okay, understand? Lessons, here we have to take the division of 90 by 6. 6 1 ja 6. After subtracting these we get 9 minus 6 is 3, and here we have to take 0 as same. Okay, recalls table of 6. 6 5 ja 30. 6 5 ja 30. After subtracting these we get 0 minus 0 is cancel out, 3 minus 3 is cancel out. After dividing these we get 15. Okay, then 1/6 of 90 is equal to 15. Understand? Okay students, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me. Again, in question number 16 of B, here given that 2/9 of 63. Firstly we can write 2/9 multiply by 63. Dear students, here we have to take multiply sign in place of this of. Okay, look, firstly we have to take the multiplication of 63 and 2. 2 3 is 6 and 2 6 is 12. Here we get 126. Okay, over 9. Understand? Distance, here we have to take the division of 126 by 9. 9 1 ja yes 9 1 ja 9. After subtracting these we get 12 minus 9 is 3, and here we have to take 6 as same. 9 4 ja recalls table of 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, and 9 4 ja yes 9 4 ja 36. Okay, after subtracting these we get 6 minus 6 is 0. It means that cancel out. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, after dividing these we get 14. Okay, distance, it means that 2/9 of 63 is equal to 14. Distance, similarly do it yourself of question number 16 of C and D. If you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that question number 16 C, 3/4 of 68 is equal to Firstly we have to take 3 over 4 into 68. Okay, it means that this can be written as 3 over 4 into 68. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 3 in 68. Look, 3 8 ja 24, 24 of 4 carry 2. Dear students, please keep in mind 3 6 ja 18, 18 plus 2 is 20 over 4. Okay, now let's arrange the division table of 204 by 4. Okay, it means that here we have to take the division of 204 by 4. 4 5 ja 20. After subtracting these we get 20 minus 20 is 0. It means that cancel out. Here we have to take 4. 4 1 ja 4. After subtracting this, here we get 0. Then after solving these we get 51. Okay, sense? Then 3 over 4 of 68 is 51. Question number 16 of D. Here given that 7 over 11 of 110. Look at here carefully. 7 over 11 into 110. Okay, it means that this can be written as 7 over 11 into 110. Okay, students, after multiplying these we get 7 0 is 0, 7 1 is 7 and 7 1 is 7 over 11. Okay, here we have to take the division of 770 by 11. 11 7 ja, yes, 11 7 ja 77. After subtracting these we get 0. It means that cancel out, and then here we have to take 0 as same. 11 0 ja 0. Okay, students, after solving these we get 70. Then 7 over 11 of 110 is 70. Okay, students, if you have any doubt in this question, please ask me. Now is this. Okay, students, now let's start question number 17, express in fractions. Question number 17. Here given that express in fractions. Question number 17 of A. Here given that 25 paise as 25 paise as fraction of rupees 3. Dear students, we know that in 1 rupees have how many paise? Yes, 100 paise. Okay, it means that in 1 rupees have 100 paise. Therefore in rupees 3 have Listen, here we have to take the multiplication of 100 paise in 3, then we get 3 0 is 0, 3 0 is 0, 3 1 is 3. It means that 100 3 is 300 paise. Okay, then rupees 3 is equal to 300 paise. Therefore 25 paise as fraction of rupees 3. Okay, then the fraction is 25 over 300. Understand, dear sons? Then the fraction is 25 over 300. If any student have doubt, please ask me. Okay, question number 17 of B. Question number 17 of B. Look at here carefully. Here given that 35 minutes as fraction of an hour. Fraction of an hour. Dear sons, we know that in 1 hour, I have how many minutes? Yes, 60 minutes. In 1 hour I have 60 minutes. Then the fraction is here given that 35 over 60. Then the fraction is 35 over 60. Okay, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me. Now read this. Question number 17 of C. This is very simple questions. Okay, students. Question number 17 of C. Look at here carefully. Here given that 450 meters as fraction of 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Dear son, we know that in 1 kilometer have 1000 meter. Okay, students, we know that in 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore the fraction is here given that 450 over 1000. The fraction is 450 over 1000. Understand? Okay, question number 17 of D. Here given that 8 hours as fraction of a day. As fraction of a day. This one we know that in 1 day is equal to how many hours? In 1 day have 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. Okay, distance. Then the fraction is here given that 8 over 24. Okay, the fraction is 8 over 24. If any student have doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now let's start new topic, addition and subtraction of fractions. Now read this. Okay, students, now let's start new topic, addition and subtraction of fraction. Dear students, please open page number 36. Page number 36, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of fractions. addition and subtraction of fractions. Now let's start question number 18. Question number 18. Add the following. Question number 18 of A is, look at here carefully. Here given that 5 whole 3 over 7 plus 11 over 14. Okay, additions. Look at here carefully. Here given that a mixed fraction and here given that a proper fraction. Okay. This one firstly we have to take. It means that firstly we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay. Look at here carefully. 7 into 5 plus 3 over 7. Okay. And plus here we can write 11 over 14 as same. Okay, distance 7 5 ja, after solving these we get 7 5 ja 35 plus 3 is 38 over 7 plus 11 over 14. Distance here given that 7 and here 14. We know that 7 and 14 are not same. Therefore, we can take the LCM of 7 and 14. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that 7 and here given that 4. We know that 7 and 14 are not same. Therefore, we can take the LCM of 7 and 14. Okay, is 2 7 ja 14. Okay, and here we have to take 7 1 ja 7. Distance, the LCM of 2 and 7 is 2 into 7. It means that 14. Okay. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that 14, here given that 7. We know that 7 2 ja 14. Therefore, we have to take the multiplication of 2 in numerator and denominator plus here given that 14 1 ja 14, 14 1 ja 14. Therefore, we can take the multiplication of 1 in numerator and denominator. After solving these, we get, look at here carefully, 38 2 ja 2 8 ja 16 of 6 carry 1 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 is 7. It means that 38 2 ja 76 and 7 2 ja 14 plus 11 1 ja 11 over 14 1 ja 14. Okay, distance. After, look here we get 14 14 are same denominator. Okay, therefore here we take 14 and then we have to write 76 plus 11 as this type. Okay, 6 plus 1, after writing this we get 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Means that 87 over 14. Here we get 87 over 14. Understand? Okay, distance. Distance, we know that this is an improper fraction. Therefore, we have to change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay, after taking the division of 87 by 14. Look at here carefully. Here we have to arrange a division table of 86 by 14. 14 6 ja, recalls table of 14. 14 6 ja 84. Look, 6 4 ja 24 of 4 carry 2. 6 1 ja 6 plus 2 is 8. 14 6 ja 84. After subtracting these we get 7 minus 4 is 3, 8 minus 8 is 0. It means that cancel out. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. After solving these we get 6 as quotient, 3 as remainder. Okay, therefore we can write 6 whole 3 over 14. 6 whole 3 over 14. This is the answer of this question. It means that this is the solution of this questions. Okay. If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Similarly, question number 16 of B, 16 of B, C and D. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. If any student have doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Okay. Thank you.